Upgrading RAM, memory. Lenovo Y50-70. In Start menu type this command: dxdiag. Two x 4GB PC3L RAM. 8GB RAM. We need to remove the screw from this area. Sorry for the camera gear. No autofocus. Eight GB RAM. Note, for maximum performance. Memory should have the same frequency. For example, same 8GB 2RX8 PC3L 12800S. Before fully lock the screw in place, we need to check if the replacement memory is working. And suddenly the unit power on, but no display. So we need to troubleshoot the unit by testing each memory replacement, if functioning or defective. Here I test the memory one by one to look for any defective memory. But sometimes we need just to resocket the memory. Since the unit is trying to adjust in any changes in hardware peripherals, we'll just give it a time to adjust. Adjustment period. Now we have 16GB RAM. This unit is gaming unit. I was wondering if I can test this unit in most of the game out there. Like, share and subscribe if you want more of this content.